Good morning, it's Friday.
It's Friday the 23rd of February. It's a lovely sunny day. Very windy though. We've got the remnants of the storm something tonight. I will install something on it.
I'm on my way to work.
Glad park to the schools, of course. It's very windy. I'm on my way to work. Simply because of these stones kept a little bit, of course. This feels bad. It's windy, that feels bad. And then we're something next Friday. Or I'll be Thursday to Saturday. Weather-wise on this weekend. And this weekend's a quiet weekend. Because the weather's not as I got the negative make a night video, but actually, not a That's the Royal Norfolk Hotel there. It's a really good hotel to go to stay at. It's the 130 a night. But you pay for the hotel, so it was the location of course. That's sagged out, figuring out to get jobs to me around. I gotta hold the hat. It's a bit windy. Don't want the hat flying away. Let's have a look at the scene. There's an exercise, which I'm not going to use because I'll look at it silly. But I'll put it over it. It's quite windy. It's it's not raining. The forecast is rain today. I look at rain, sunshine, blue sky. So, hello. Give me